Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example of 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So this example answer is not this example answer is answer is not 0. So what answer is 0 is not answer. So what answer is so let's start solution. 3 minus 3. According to PEMDAS, we use the rules. If parentheses included, first simplify parentheses. But parentheses not included, and then if division included here, so first we solve the division. But division is also not included. So in this example, only subtraction included. So we use this subtraction, simplify the subtraction, but left to right. Okay, but left to right, left to right. Okay, so here 3 minus 3 is 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 and minus 3 is same. And then 0 minus 3 minus 3 is 3 minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. So final answer is minus 6. This is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.